going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochre. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start out with a box where you had this cream and yellow box. You got your yellow Nike on top. Same on this side. Same on that side. But then we're going to get to the front of the box and it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG GS. And the colorway is Yellow Ochre Black Sail. Let's get into it. Opening up the box, you got your normal stamp of approval right there on top of the box. These just came with white tissue paper on the inside. Each shoe did come individually wrapped. That's pretty much it for the insides. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochre. Alright, started off by saying, hey, these are clean. Starting the year off with the first Air Jordan 1, and I actually like these right here. Can't go wrong with your nice yellow. I love the Chicago blocker that they got going on with these. Loving the colorway. I mean, this is a nice yellow, but it's not like a bright yellow. It's like a in the middle type yellow, like a burnt, kind of like a burnt yellow. It looks very nice in hand, and I actually like them, and I'm loving this tumble leather that we got going throughout the shoe. So it's just a very nice Air Jordan 1. I'm a sucker for Air Jordan 1, so of course, had to go ahead and grab these for the first shoe of the year. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. Like I said before, you got this nice yellow, like a burnt yellowish color going throughout the whole upper of the shoe, and this nice nubuck material right here coming across the front of the toe. On top of the toe, you got this nice plush leather. I'm loving this leather. Can't go wrong with these materials right here. Nice plush leather. Let me get close so y'all can see it right there. You can actually just see the little ruffles on the top of the toe right there. That nice leather right there. Coming to the side, you still got that nice leather on the side and that white, like an off-white color. Got your black Nike check on the side. That's on every Air Jordan 1. Top of the heel, still got that nice yellowish, burnt yellowish color coming throughout. Turn it to the back of the heel, same all nubuck material right there, that nice yellow color way. Inside the shoe, you got your Nike Air, and the footbed is just yellow and black on the inside right there. Same normal Air Jordan 1 tongue. Flipping to the back, onto the side of this side right here, you got this nice Air Jordan wings that come on Air Jordan 1. All Air Jordan 1s also. Still got your black Nike check. These on top of the tongue. You got your Nike Air right there in that black and yellow. Of course, I went ahead and threw the white laces in here, which I think brings the shoe out way better than the black. I like the black also, but these white ones is just something about it. Just sets the shoe off even more. Still got that same tongue on the back of the tongue right there. And then you got this light, I'm going to say like a creamish midsole right here in that rubber. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you got the all yellow bottom with your Nike Air. That's every Air Jordan 1. Pretty clean, pretty simple and clean to me in my opinion. I like them. Of course, I went for my GS size. Definitely wasn't going for the men's size because we all know how Jordan's been sitting these days, and these definitely will probably go on sale. They probably will sit. I can see them sitting, but you know, hey, I like them, so I went ahead and grabbed them. But I say give it about a couple weeks. These will definitely be going on sale, and if you really want them, then you can go ahead and cop them if you don't want to pay that regular retail price for them. But of course, I got mine from my local Hibbett. Had me a couple coupons, so ended up coming out was just $100. So this would be the price they would go for on sale anyway in my size. So went ahead and grabbed them. But men's sizes, I can definitely see you waiting because that 180 is pretty steep right now if you don't really want them. So I'll wait for those, and those definitely will probably be dropping. But overall, this is a very clean colorway. There's a couple of other Jordan 1s that you got that yellow and white back. Look to the shoe. Of course, we know the taxis that came out. I liked those also, so I definitely had those. But if you had taxis, I could definitely see you skipping out on these. But this was the left shoe. Let me go ahead and get back to the right shoe. Looks the same as that way. I threw the black laces in this shoe right here. So y'all let me know which lace do you think looks better, the black laces, or will you go with the white laces? Let me know which one you think looks the best in your opinion. Like I said, this is the black and then this is the white. My opinion, I think I'm going with these white ones right here. To me, they just look very nice. But of course, I'm still going to rock them with my black Also, just depending on what I'm wearing, but overall, I think I'm going with the white laces. So y'all just let me know down in the comment below what y'all think. But overall, like I said, still clean. This one did come with this little hang tag that just said due to the upper material is nubuck leather, and this leather may, you know, brush off until if you have on some new jeans or something, it might come off on there onto your shoe and it might bleed on it. But other than that, it's nothing to it. I'm glad they just brought these out. One thing I am glad about, they gave us GS sizes back, our extra laces. So we do know that they did come with the extra laces, which were the white laces. They did come strong with the black ones, but thank you, Nike, for giving us GSI extra laces back. They had stopped from a couple pairs that came out last year. They wasn't giving us the extra laces no more, which I didn't understand why, because we had used to always get them. But they brought them back, so I'm happy. Same Move to Zero box right there, and then you got your white cream laces right there with the Jumpman on the front of the box. Also, this says shoe laces. So we got the extra laces back. I'm happy about that. But overall, it's a clean shoe. So y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Are you going for them? Are you gonna pass and wait till they come on sale? Came out today, which is January 13. Retail for men 180, GS is 140. And I'm assuming they got toddler on down. I don't really know, but I just know that those two prices for those. So y'all let me know what y'all think about them. First Air Jordan 1 of the year. Let me know what you think about them. I'm happy with them. I like them, so that's why I went ahead and caught. But y'all let me know y'all opinion down in the comments below. That's all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.